Ever been to the Crooked Hammock on a beautiful Saturday? Well, let's go take a look. Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and we're down here in Barefoot Landing at the Crooked Hammock, and I'm sitting here right at the bar at Tortuga Island. That's not it. Tortuga Island. Take two. There's always something going on in Barefoot Landing. They have several festivals each Saturday. Look at that view. Plenty of shopping, eating, some of your favorites. And as you can tell, I ordered the brew kettle chili. This is so delicious. It has beef, beans, sour cream, Monterey Jack cheese, and scallions. It also comes with some tortilla chips, and it was out of this world delicious.
And I got the chicken bacon ranch. It comes with grilled chicken, bacon, of course, cheddar, ranch, shreddus, which is shredded lettuce, tomato, and it's on a toasted potato bun. Absolutely delicious. Yum. Look at all that tender goodness.
All right, let's go check out the brewery. Well, there you have it. There was a quick look at the Crooked Hammock. So next time you're up here in Barefoot Landing, make sure you stop by to have a good day. Until next time, keep beaching.